guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. I'm here to show you something really cool, how to use old greeting cards, old birthday cards, maybe blank cards that you have, extra that you never sent out. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to use those that I think you'll be surprised. So come with me and let's get started. These are some blank cards that I got at an estate sale, because if you do a lot of the journal making, scrapbooking, whatever, you use these cards. And you can find just bags and bags for like $1, right? So you end up with a lot of blank ones, and then you might be somebody that saves your cards around the holidays, birthdays, whatever, and now you just have a bunch and you don't know what to do with them. This is as you said, I got a box at an estate sale. Actually, I think it was in a bag with a ton of loose cards too. It's blank. So you could use it as a thank you card because it does look holiday-ish. But honestly, who writes thank you cards anymore? It's terrible to say, but it's true. So, what is a good way to use these if you're not going to use them, like write thank you notes? Because, postage has gotten really expensive too. Well, I'm going to show you 2 ways today that you could use these blank cards, greeting cards, birthday cards, whatever you have. And even if somebody's written in them, you can still use them, okay? The first way is you can make this super adorable little box out of the card. How cute is that? And the bigger the card, the bigger the box. And how many times do we have to go buy little boxes like this for gift cards, for cash, maybe for something flat like a key ring or a keychain if you're giving a necklace and it didn't come with, a box? How many times do we have to go buy boxes like this and pay a fortune? Just use unused or used greeting cards or birthday cards or thank you cards. Something else you can make with them is let me get it folded back again. You could make a gift card holder. This is the back of one of these cards, and I left the front, the pretty part, to show you that you can also make a really cute gift card holder. So let's make the gift card holder first because it's the simplest. All you do is fold it in until your sides are about equal. And if you have a credit card, you can use that to kind of measure too your width. Once I folded it in half, I just folded the sides in, right? Now I'm going to open them up again, and on this back part, I'm going to cut off just a little bit so I can fold it up and tape that part. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it back up, and I'm going to cut off each side flap so much, probably about 1/2 inch, just to the first fold on each side. I'm going to cut this part off here, and then when I fold it back, I will fold the front up so it makes this part right here. This part right here. See? So it comes up like a little gift card holder. Okay, so I folded it. Now I'm going to come in with my scissors and cut off just to the fold. Okay, and then just to the fold on this side. And this is easy. I'm cutting up to where the gold goes onto the white just to make it simple, and it's going to look nicer. You can see what I did there. Now I'm going to fold this, and I'm going to turn it over, and you can see the longer part right here. I'm going to fold that up. And I folded it up like that. So now it is like folded like that. You can see it right there. And I'm going to glue or tape it all down, and I will have a cute little gift card holder with that on the front. So pretty cool idea, right? Great use of old thank you notes, cards, whatever, that you're not going to use. Okay, for the box, it's just as simple. What you do first is you split the 2 halves apart, and you can cut it or whatever, but if you fold it enough, it just tears apart like that. And then you decide the bottom part's going to be the bottom of your box. You decide how wide, how long you want your box and fold everything up to fit that. So I'm going to do it kind of in. I'm going to try to make it a little smaller one. And you need to measure it, but I'm not measuring, but definitely measure if you want it even. Okay. And then you fold the sides up and then that's the base to your box, but it won't fold. It won't stay like a box yet. So what you have to do is once you get it folded, then on these little squares at the back, you come in and just cut on one side. You either cut on the long side or the short side just to the fold like that. And then do the other one the same way. And then same thing on this side. And like I said, you either cut the short fold or the long fold. I'm cutting all the long ones. And then I'm going to tuck the edges in to my box like that. And see how I tucked them in right there. See, here they are. And I'm just folding them in and tucking them and then taping it. So there's the box. Okay, I'll do the other end the same way. And once you tape it or glue it, then that's the bottom of your box. Right there. Isn't that cute? Now, for your top, you fold it a little bit bigger than your bottom because you want it to fit on there nice and snug. And now, if you don't fold it right, you're going to end up short. So the top one, you really need to measure the size of your bottom one. With your ruler, measure how long and how wide it is, and then come measure your top one, and you want it to be just a little bit longer and a little bit wider, okay? And then once you do that, you tape all your sides down, and you have a super cute little gift box made from a card. And you have a super cute gift card holder as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you'll know when new videos post. I try to post 3 times a week, and sometimes you'll get 4 or 5 depending on what comes into my brain. Also down below, leave me a comment. Would you like to see more ways to use cards that are old that you're not going to send, and the envelopes too? Like I said, leave me a comment down below, and if I get enough yes, we'll have another video. Take care, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.